Hi lovelies, I'm the lazy Niger mom and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make a simple homemade ice cream with mango. So you need 1/8 cup honey, half cup Greek yogurt and a cup of frozen diced mangoes. Please make sure the mangoes you're going to be using are ripe and the very sweet variety. For those who don't own measuring cups or can't weigh them, just one ripe mango is enough. Yes, actually, this recipe, I split it into two so that I can show you the two different ways I make same ice cream. One method is like this. You add the Greek yogurt in the blender first. So first you add the Greek yogurt in the blender. Next is the mango, the chopped frozen mangoes. Then you blend. So you start blending and stop once the mango is completely blended and the blender blades start moving completely. Now we'll add honey and then blend till they're completely blended together. Please do not add honey before blending the mango and yogurt together. It will settle at the bottom and the frozen mango tends to crystallize the honey. Then it settles at the bottom of the blender. Blending, we're going to scoop them out from the blender into a baking pan. I've already frozen my baking pan before putting it so the mango remains cold. So now I'm going to cover with a cling film. Then look how I'm not going to just cover the surface. I'm going to try to press it into the pan this way, like so that it doesn't form ice by the sides. So now I'm done wrapping it up with the cling film. I'll take it into the freezer. So it will be in the freezer for 3 hours till it's ready. So after 3 hours, I'll bring it out and let it sit on the counter to defrost a little before I start eating them. Now we're into the second part of the video where I'm going to be using an ice cream maker to make same ice cream. Same ingredients, same quantity, just different method. Not that different anyway, but just a little bit. Just the ice cream maker is the difference. So in the blender, I'm going to add the Greek yogurt first. It can't stick to the measuring cup so well, so I suggest you use a spatula to help scoop it out. Next, I'll be adding the mangoes. As you can see, it's not frozen like the other one. Blend till smooth. Blend till very smooth. Now I'm done blending the mango Greek yogurt combo. It's time to get the ice cream maker from the freezer where it's been sitting. Actually, it sleeps in the freezer. So if you don't keep yours in the freezer like I do, make sure that before you start preparing ingredients for your ice cream, you may have put it in the freezer 24 hours earlier. I'm going to be scooping the mango Greek yogurt combo. It's quite thick and you'll be needing your spatula, even the tinier ones, so you can get as much as you can out of the blender. Then we'll put the lid on and switch on the ice cream maker. Now I'll be adding the honey. See how the honey comes out of the measuring cup quite easily. That's because I oiled the cup first. So see, no remnants. Next, I'll be adding the lemon juice. Well, if you don't have the lemon available, you can use the store-bought lemon. I'm using this brand. Adding half teaspoon of lemon juice. You can skip it if you don't want it. I just like the zesty feel it adds to the mango ice cream. I'm going to let it spin till it gets to the consistency I want, and then I'll be switching it off, taking off the lid, and using a spatula to clean out the blades. If I want to eat it straight away, I might leave it to be thicker than this, but since I want to store it for later, I'll be putting it in the freezer. Then I'll be using a cling film to cover it like so. I've placed it in the freezer till I'm ready to consume it. I sometimes prefer using the ice cream maker because of power outages, which is prevalent in my country. So even if there's power outage, my ice cream is still not going to suffer. Now this is my go-to ice cream recipe whenever I crave ice cream at home. It's simple and easy to do, and the kids love it. I love it. It's healthy. I don't have to worry about putting on weight and still indulge my sweet tooth whenever I want to. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, it's the red bell button below. You click on it, and whenever I post new content, you get notified and you don't miss out. So now I'm ready to enjoy my healthy homemade mango ice cream. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. Like, it's so good. You need to try this out. You need to try this out. Do try it out and let me know what you think. It's so good. Please don't forget to like and share my video with your loved ones. I have other videos on mango preservation. I'll be dropping the links in my description box to the other videos. Please do check out this, and I hope they're useful to you. Thanks for watching. Please do take care of yourself, stay healthy, be kind, and stay safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!